guys, welcome back to RGTV. Today we're going to can mushrooms. We sure are. And what I've done is I have washed my mushrooms. I've actually let them sit in a bowl with water just to kind of clean them off. I rinsed them a couple times, let them sit, and I rinsed them again. And now we've got them in our pot. We're going to put these on the stove for a few minutes to cook down, and then we're going to come back and get these ready to put in our jar. Okay, so you can see that the mushrooms have shrunk quite a bit. We've filled our jars. We have 5 pints. We're about to pour our hot water in. We're going to clean our rims. We're going to put our lids on, and we're going to get these in our hot canner, and we're going to process these for 45 minutes at 15 pounds of pressure from my altitude. Okay, so we processed our pints for 45 minutes, and you can see that they came out just absolutely beautiful. It was 4 pounds of mushrooms, gave me 5 pint jars, so I'm pretty happy with that. I cannot wait to put these on my shelf and then crack one of these open when I need to add it to a soup or stew or whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below and let me know that you were here. As always, guys, we'll see you next time.